See the Egyptian
So
goose?
when it rains, those are cleaned and then they go back to normal.
Not necessarily clean. They like living in the mud so that the ticks don't come on them. So when rain is more, it's for their own good. Of course, the rain can wash them and they become clean again. But as long as the ticks come on them, they will always go back to the mud. That's how they go about everything.
So how comes a squirrel here?
I think they have a way of symbiosis. They know how to live alongside these other animals. And remember, they can always get out. It's not like the space is too squeezed.